series of videos tells of the people, community and events of Clovelly, as well as the past, present and future of this church and Methodism in general. The videos include something of interest to everyone, from the casual visitor
From the top of the highest summit, again we run it. 144 shimmering lights stunning.
Children are too greedy. Children are just rude. We don't need to listen. We don't need to care. Children don't need voices. Who cares if it's fair? Children's rights, that's nonsense. We don't care for that.
To make decisions and laws about how children should be treated, supported and helped to grow.
As she wasn't able to motivate herself. If you don't, we will ask you to leave.
It plays other songs too. Hearts Galaxy. More fun for me, less stress for you.